sketchied the F out. Okay, just do it, Angel. You can't keep being scared. Nothing is working. Ouch. Oh my gosh. That just broke off. Great. I feel like that's supposed to be on there. Nothing is easy. What's that? And how the heck does that come out? I really don't want to get crushed under this truck. Don't roll away on me, truck. My arm hurts. I have no idea what I'm doing. What is going on here? Everybody have this much trouble? I don't think it worked for me. You know what? It's the same exact deal as it is on the other side, and it's stupid. Hey, found $1. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is currently freezing in Canada and I'm about to start working on my Tundra because after a summer of rescuing and hauling Harleys, my Tundra needs a little love. So I'm going to replace all of the suspension because it's all broken. Hopefully I can get the job done before it's dark out. So I think I've got like 4 hours of daylight left at this point, and hopefully it doesn't take me longer than all day. But I do get to try out my brand new coveralls, well, new to me anyway. These are gonna be great. I'm gonna keep my real clothes clean, so I'm excited about that. They're huge. I've got a lot of layers on underneath of here. Pretty excited about this. Also, get to take this bad boy for a spin, so hopefully the impact gun will make this job a whole lot quicker. And it's my first time using it, so I'm just gonna start taking this thing apart, get it jacked up, take the wheels off, and hopefully quickly switch out my rear shocks. Start on the rear because I think they'll be the quickest. Pretty sure I've got everything I need here. My big piece of cardboard for laying on, and some jack stands. The suspension, of course, that's the front, then the back stuff there. So I've got the jack under my truck, and I'm just gonna jack it up and put it on jack stands, and then I can start taking it apart now that I've finally finished screwing around with my GoPros that refuse to ever work properly. First things first, just removing the wheels. Now my thing is just stuck on there. It's getting stuck. Thank God I have this impact gun, I tell ya. That would have sucked without it. Get off of there. Come on, get. Jack that up a bit more to get that off. If I can with this crappy Princess Auto jack. Just want to get it up high enough that I can actually put the jack stand under it. Holy, one more notch, come on. That should be good. Looks like we should be ready to get started here. Oh my gosh, finally. Gotta take that bolt out, and then there's another one at the top, which gotta come out. And then the new guy pops in. Those look pretty freaking rusty. Okay, so everything is already taken way longer than it should, and I haven't even gotten started yet. And I have to take my wheel off so that I can get to the top bolt here. It's really hard to see because it's dark under here. But anyways, when I turn it, the whole freaking stud on the shock turns. So I gotta figure out how to get that undone. I'm gonna start with my bottom, see where that takes me. This shock does not want to come out of here. Power the hacksaw. It is. My gosh. That was so hard. This job is definitely taking way longer than I want it to. and I need to die grinder off the top of the stud because I hacksawed through the nut and the stud, but there's a little sliver of nut left, so I gotta cut that off, and then hopefully I can get this shock out. I'm still on the first shock, and I'm like so annoyed. Okay, well, cut through something there, so see if this pops off of here. Still not going anywhere. Cut this in a better spot. Nothing of a disc even left. What the heck is going on here? So I need to try to compress my shock so that I can lift it up over top of this brake cable and hopefully be able to pull it back so that it breaks free up there. There we go. Look at that thing. That was stupid, I tell ya. So I managed to cut my first shock out. My new shocks only come with 2 of these retainers, which it's supposed to have 3. And one of them has like this little like, I don't know, sleeve, I guess, that would fit into the rubber. So I'm gonna have to use this rusty one because I don't have a new one. And I don't really like having to use this old rusty one, but that's what I'm gonna have to do. Let's just hope this new shock goes in easier than it came out. Like, oh my gosh, I've so had enough of this job already. Maybe they give you new top nuts because they know you might have to cut them off because they didn't give me any other new bottom parts. So, slide in the top. There it is. Gotta somehow be able to compress this shock and slip this bolt in all at the same time. Oh my gosh. And it is not going to be easy. Oh, that's probably gonna slip off and smash into my face. Okay, just get in there. Get up there. Come on, push up. This is really not easy. I need to get it higher than that. Now I'm like so far away from what I need to be able to reach. Okay, it's better. This is taking so long. A little tappy tap. Why aren't you going? I'm just gonna have to do a little twistaroo. Yeah! Under here again. Up and down and up and down. And where's my other wrench? Angel. Like every single frickin' tool out. I got the other side of the truck done up. The wheel's on, and I just have to torque my wheel. But the shock's in, and it's torqued up, so that's good. And it's getting kind of dark out now. I'm hoping I can get this other one done tonight. And I'm gonna have to do the front one tomorrow. And I already turned the top nut on my shock on this side, and I'm gonna have to do the same thing. I'm gonna have to use my good old trusty hacksaw, which I'm not looking forward to it all, but that's the way it is. So it's getting dark quick, so I'm just gonna start cutting stuff apart, and then I'm gonna need to use the die grinder again and just bust things out like I did on the other side. So let's not talk about it and let's just do it. Turn on my headlamp. I don't know why the other side was way easier to get into. Not working at all. I'll be resorting to the die grinder method yet again. So let's just get this done and over with. Me not being able to see is just going to also be the way. Man, that's just not working. pretty much guarantee that 90% of the people who watch videos like this on YouTube would not have the patience to make videos like this, because when you're just trying to get a job done, having a camera to deal with is very unideal, or whatever the word is. I don't even want to think right now. The teety-totty. Teety-totty. Because that's how things go for Angel. Is it better though? Don't do metric. Okay, that'll save my life. I really don't want to freaking get crushed under here. This thing feels like it's gonna fall on me. What the heck, guys? You don't, Angel. Nope, I don't. Let's keep going. Yeah.
You needing from me, my guy, my little guy, my little fat guy.
Man, that GoPro is a serious piece of garbage. Okie dokie, Smokies. Smoking is a pain in the butt. Why does nothing work every time I'm trying to do something? Like this for everybody? Sketching about. Darn it anyway. This is just not working out very good. Is this ever gonna work?